How to use custom emoji on Telegram. So if you want to use custom emoji on Telegram, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening a Telegram, you can go with search, which is on the top right, and you need to search for stickers bot. So tap on stickers bot, and from here you need to go with start, which is on the bottom. You need to tap on new emoji pack, and then select the emoji like static emoji, video emoji, or animated emoji. So I'll just simply go with static, and now it says that you need to enter the name of your set. And after entering that name, here it says that alright, now send me the custom emoji, which is the image file, and it should be in PNG or WEPG format with a transparent layer and must be a square of exactly 100 into 100 pixels. And it recommends using Telegram desktop. So if you have your desktop, you can go with your Telegram on your desktop and then try uploading the emojis there from your desktop. So after uploading the images, it will ask you the name of that GIF or name of that character. You need to enter the name, and after that your set one will be added. That's how you can create your custom emojis, and after creating, you will be able to use your custom emojis on Telegram. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.